Everyone desires radiant, glowing skin, but achieving that natural beauty doesn't require expensive skincare products or chemical treatments. The secret to a youthful and luminous complexion lies in nature. Your skin reflects what you put into your body, and by using natural remedies, you can enhance your skin's glow from the inside out. If you're looking for simple, effective ways to achieve healthy, radiant skin, here are 5 of the best natural remedies that you can start using today. First on the list is honey, a powerhouse ingredient for skincare. Raw honey is packed with antioxidants, antibacterial properties, and enzymes that nourish and heal the skin. It helps retain moisture, making your skin soft and hydrated, while also reducing acne and blemishes. Applying a thin layer of honey to your face for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing it off can leave your skin feeling smooth and refreshed. You can also mix honey with ingredients like yogurt or lemon juice for added skin benefits. Next is aloe vera, one of the most soothing and hydrating natural remedies. Aloe vera is rich in vitamins, enzymes, and amino acids that help heal damaged skin, reduce inflammation, and fight acne. It also boosts collagen production, keeping your skin firm and youthful. Applying fresh aloe vera gel directly from the plant to your face can instantly calm irritation and give your skin a fresh, dewy glow. Using it daily as a natural moisturizer can also help maintain skin elasticity and prevent premature aging. Another amazing natural remedy is turmeric, a powerful antioxidant with incredible anti-inflammatory properties. Turmeric contains curcumin, which brightens the skin, fades dark spots, and helps even out skin tone. A simple turmeric face mask made by mixing turmeric powder with yogurt and honey can work wonders for dull skin. Apply it for 10 to 15 minutes, then rinse with lukewarm water for a naturally glowing complexion. Adding turmeric to your diet can also enhance your skin's radiance from within. Coconut oil is another fantastic remedy for glowing skin, especially for those with dry or sensitive skin. Rich in fatty acids and vitamin E, coconut oil deeply nourishes the skin, restores moisture, and creates a natural glow. It also has antibacterial properties that help keep the skin clear and free from breakouts. Massaging a small amount of coconut oil onto your face before bed can work as a natural overnight treatment, leaving your skin soft and hydrated by morning. However, if you have oily or acne-prone skin, use it sparingly to avoid clogged pores. Lastly, rose water is a refreshing and rejuvenating natural toner that can instantly brighten your skin. Rose water helps balance the skin's pH, tighten pores, and reduce redness or irritation. It also hydrates and refreshes tired skin, making it look more youthful. Spritzing rose water on your face throughout the day can keep your skin feeling fresh and glowing. You can also use it as a natural makeup remover or mix it with face masks for extra skin-enhancing benefits. Glowing skin doesn't have to come from expensive beauty products. By incorporating these natural remedies into your skincare routine, you can achieve a healthy, radiant complexion in the most natural way possible. Nourishing your skin with the right ingredients, staying hydrated, and maintaining a balanced diet will help you achieve long-lasting beauty from the inside out. Start using these simple yet powerful remedies today and enjoy the confidence that comes with naturally glowing skin.